So here is the twin cam system which is there in standard bike. In many motorcycles other than this brand has got this system, but if you look at the construction, then this is very much similar or nearby to RD350 Yamaha. So, but that has got different drum size, this has got different drum size. This is according to the motorcycle. So this has got a twin cam system. I'm going to open up. This is this vehicle. Basically, this brake is having this problem. It's getting stuck up. So whenever the rider is applying the brake lever is not releasing from the top. What we have figured, in fact, what I have figured, that the cams which are there, this one and this one, is I think those cams are rusty. It requires greasing. This is the only one problem in this twin cam system, apart from everything. Braking efficiency is one of the best what you get from twin cam system. Twin cam in the sense it has got different two separate cams for each for both the brake liners or brake shoe. So let's start with the job. So for this you will have to disconnect this wire. This is the brake wire. This has got a slot. I'll show you the slot. Okay, if you can see the slot, this is the slot from where you can get the wire out. Then just disconnect the speedo drive or the speedo wire from the drive. This requires very different trick to do the setting, because twin cam in the sense both are having its own individual setting. So don't get confused. Don't try to set single way. Older bikes, as I mentioned, that has got inches sizes, so you'll have to check the spanner which is suitable for this. This requires 13 mm, so I'm going to use 13 mm. I'm going to make this thing loose, this fork axle cap, and then going to raise the vehicle, because as you can see, if I want to remove the front wheel, the vehicle will dive front, since this vehicle is, in fact all the vehicles are almost nose width. So I'll just make the thing like that way. I'll just arrange something. Okay. Okay, so we have raised the bike by keeping one heavy duty jack under it's on the chassis. So we have hooked up properly everything. So now let's just open the wheel. Just lower down, so there will be no tension on the thread. Otherwise, what will happen? If I raise the bike right now, then those threads will come under tension because of the wheel load. So first, I'll just touch the wheel to the ground so it will not have any kind of a stress. It has got one grip washer, so this is the grip washer each nut has got. So one fork cap is out, another one is still stuck up. So I'll just show you. See, now the wheel is out, as you can see. That's it. Now we are in a position to raise the bike slowly so we can so automatically wheel comes out of the fork. Now we'll just remove the wheel. Careful. Okay. So we have removed the wheel. Now next procedure is that we are going to remove this, this and this. We'll do the setting later on. First we will have to replace the brake shoe. So we have arranged the wheel on the ramp itself. So we have kept 2 tires underneath so it will not damage the wheel rim. It's not only related to chrome what you see, but it's also related to the main spare part. Even if it is passivated, you must take care of the wheel. So when you're working on your stuff, doesn't mean that you should damage other things. So now we'll remove 3 of them and then we'll begin with the work.